Why use the SEACLOR then, you might ask? Well, we went through all these hurdles before with different type of disinfection technologies. Here, I'll tell you that most of those are mitigated using the SEACLOR. The SEACLOR has electrolytic cells combined in an electrical and hydraulical integrity, which means that no matter how your installations looks like, we can optimize, make it, build a tailor-made solution for yourselves. Also, in considering that with this type of flexibility, we have various different types of installations with different types of footprint. We may study your layout, and even if that's a very constrained place, we might have a very good solution for you. So please talk to us directly on that. The SEACLOR can be used for any type of capacities. Here we state 24 kilos an hour and above, because this is actually the dividing line between the SEACLOR and the SUNELEC. But actually, there are areas where the SEACLOR are also a better application than the SUNELEC. So depending on what you're having in your installations, just talk to us and we'll have the final best application of a SEACLOR for your system, or any other type of disinfection for that matter. All of the Nora SEACLOR are using DSA electrodes. This is a patented type of electrodes from the Nora. These are all the Nora R&D developed electrodes, so nobody else has this, only us. We have the best efficiency in the market. We guarantee a lifetime of all electrodes of a minimum of 5 years. We believe that they will live much more than that, but we guarantee the 5 years for every single SEACLOR we put there in the market. Also, our safe hydrogen removal will take out all of your headaches with safety concerns. So this will be operated continuing automated. In any case of a fault of any kind in your system or in the SEACLOR, everything is programmed to shut down automatically and give alarms. It's very easy to operate and maintain. As we stated here during the whole presentation, we use raw seawater as the raw material, so it's readily available for every one of you. And it's, as I mentioned before, it's a completely automated system. If you want to have different types of automation to fit with your own installation processes, just talk to us and we'll be more than glad to adapt a little bit of our system to you. Superior biofouling control. In our perspective, this is the best system for you, using the very low concentration sodium hypochlorite. This is a benign type of disinfection. It is not toxic. I myself already put my hand inside 0.2% solutions, hypo solutions. It only smells a little bit of a swimming pool, if you may. It's very effective and reliable in marine and corrosive environments, as are any installation for the SEACLOR. And as I mentioned, the 0.2% concentration, which relates to 2000 ppm.